Alright, go.
Go where?
I'm going to school now, Alaja.
Yes.
So, who go wash all the plates wey dey kitchen?
Run no.
Oh, I am late now. I don't late.
Come on, drop your bag and go to kitchen now. Go and clear all the plates wey dey kitchen.
We must learn the lesson.
Shebu, we still have one jobless auntie for this house. We no get work. So she cannot go and watch it, and I will be going to my school. I'm late.
Who is shouting? Who and who dey shout there? So, who be the jobless auntie?
Aha. See the jobless person there.
Who is the jobless person?
Madira.
Oh, Sini.
Jesus!
Alaja, say you see, say no be you born this pikin.
She what?
So, who come born am o? Maybe na boy or they send down for you in the world, because I know say this girl, she no get blood related with me. If not, she no go open her mouth dey tell me say I dey jobless. Me wey be say I wan hang my partner, make I go bus stop, go dey share wetin dem dey do for there.
I'm very stupid, I'm very foolish.
Say you see say Sukura no lie, say you dey jobless. Because if you no dey jobless, you no go leave plenty housework wey you suppose do. Go tell me say you wan go bus stop, go dey do wetin no concern you. Imagine now, na me come dey sweep for una. Una get sense? Ọ̀rọ̀ yín mo ń súnyàn gbà mí. Truth, you will not say it. It's me and Sukura, are we mates? Sukura, you dey go your school.
Okay, Alaja. And Afusa, wash everything clean, oh. Ní pàtàkì gan.
And Afusa, enter that kitchen and clean all the kitchen. Make sure you wash the plate, oh. Alaja kò jọ òun ní sink kankan. I no even do anything. If I hear pimp, Alaja. You are the one. Wait for me.